Hello everyone, and welcome back to Relaxing English with Phanit. Today we will focus on cleft sentences, your key to speaking and writing with precision and emphasis in English. By the end, you'll know exactly how to highlight the most important parts of your sentences like a pro. Let's start with the basics. Cleft sentences divide a normal sentence into two parts to spotlight specific information. Think of them like a grammatical highlighter. For example, the teacher praised Maria becomes, it was Maria whom the teacher praised. Here we're making it crystal clear that Maria, not someone else, was praised. Notice how the emphasis shifts? There are 4 types of cleft sentences. First, WH-clefts, like what I need is a vacation. Second, IT-clefts, such as it was John who called. Third, reversed WH-clefts, like a vacation is what I need. And finally, special structures, such as the reason I'm late is traffic. We'll explore each in detail. WH-clefts begin with words like what, why, or how. The structure is a word plus clause, plus be, plus emphasis. For example, she wants a promotion transforms to what she wants is a promotion. Here, what she wants sets up the focus, and a promotion gets the spotlight. Another example, you should check the manual becomes what you should check is the manual. Simple, right? IT-clefts are the most common. Structure, it plus is was, plus emphasis, plus who that plus clause. Take the storm damaged the roof. To stress the roof, say, it was the roof that the storm damaged. For people, use who. Lisa sent the email. It was Lisa who sent the email. Remember, never use what here. It was what he said is wrong. These flip the WH-cleft structure. Example, she needs more time becomes more time is what she needs. The emphasis comes first for dramatic effect. We met in Paris. Paris is where we met. These sound formal, perfect for writing. These use phrases like the reason or the person. For example, the reason I called is to confirm. Or, the person who helped me was a stranger. One more, all he did was apologize. These are great for storytelling or explanations. Let's practice. Convert the CEO announced the merger into an IT-cleft. The answer, it was the CEO who announced the merger. Now, try turning they need financial support into a WH-cleft. Correct. What they need is financial support. Last one, complete. The reason she quit the long hours. Answer, the reason why she quit was the long hours. Watch out for these errors. First, pronouns. It was her who called should be it was she who called in formal writing. Second, don't overuse cleft sentences. They lose impact. Third, never mix structures like what I needed is money. Just say what I need is money. To recap, use WH-clefts for definitions, IT-clefts for drama, reversed for writing, and special structures for clarity. Try rewriting news headlines for practice. For example, the president signed the law. It was the president who signed the law. Now go highlight what really matters in your sentences. And that's a wrap on cleft sentences. Now you know how to emphasize key information like a native speaker, whether you're writing an essay, giving a presentation, or just making your point crystal clear. Try using these structures in your next conversation or assignment and watch how your English becomes more powerful and precise. If you found this lesson helpful, hit the like button. It really supports this channel. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss our future grammar deep dives. Got questions or topic requests? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.